Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey guys, hey, Austin Brinker here. I wanted to come to you today and just kind of show you this new system, this new program that I just got started with. It's called, as you can see, it's called Direct Mail Pro. So for those of you who might be familiar with this layout of the screen here, it looks a little bit like Easy One Up. If you're not familiar with that, if you are, you'll notice that this is basically the same look here. And that's because it's coming from the same CEO, which is Peter Wolfing, right? He's CEO of Easy One Up. He's CEO of Multiplex System, and he's now the CEO of this system called Direct Mail Pro. It's in pre-launch right now. It's about to launch officially here on October 1st, and I wanted just to come to you and kind of tell you why I joined, right? So you guys might not know me. If you don't know me, that's okay. I'm not one of the famous internet marketers yet, but I do have a passion for this stuff, and I have a passion for helping people with their finances. And that's really what I want to plug you guys into right here with this vehicle, is what it really is. So Direct Mail Pro, it's backed by Peter Wolfing, like I said, and he's a business owner who's CEO of a 21-year-old business, right? So he's a leader who knows how to keep businesses going for the length of time, right? Time-tested, endurance, which is something I was looking for in a home. I was looking for a home on the internet, something to build within the next decade. I want to stick with something, and I want to bring others along that I believe in. I believe in the product. I believe in the leader. I believe in this as a financial vehicle, okay? So with that being said, here's the homepage, right? This is the back office of Direct Mail Pro. And what I really want to show you right here is that I got joined as a founding member before it even launched at the VIP level. And why is that important? Because in my opinion, right? I mean, you have your own opinion, but in my opinion, it shows that I'm committed, right? I'm going to go all in with this. So if you want to join someone, right, you want to join someone who also is all in, is going to bring you under their wing, and isn't going to be flaky, right? Isn't going to quit within 30 days. You don't need a sponsor that's going to be gone here in the next couple months. No, that's not what I'm here to do. I want to make this home, right? I love the product. I love the comp plan. I love the vehicle that I can plug myself in, my family into, and I can help you with. So that's what this is all about. So let's see. Along the left page here, you see you got a dashboard, which is the main page we're on now. You got a getting started email here from Peter Wolfing himself. You got your account information. Membership, like I said, I went ahead and unlocked all the way up to the VIP level because I believe in committing myself, right? From the very beginning. I want some skin in the game. I want to push myself. So that's what I did. And then you got some different ways they're going to teach us here how to promote as an affiliate. And what I really actually want to bring some attention to real quick is that this isn't just an online program. It's called Direct Mail Pro. We're going to be combining, Peter has combined direct internet marketing, right, which has proven itself, with direct mail. So he's bringing it back old school a little bit to combine the two, which I'm in love with that idea, right? Because almost everyone these days is going with online marketing, right? It's being pushed so hard that consumers now, when they get something in the mail, an actual physical postcard, whatever it is in the mail, that gets their attention, right? So when you combine that with internet marketing, you got something special there. And with a leader like Peter Wolfing, who's been around the game, that's something special there. So then you have your team here that you can get in contact with, that you can keep track of, and then your commissions here. So really this video was kind of just to introduce you to the concept, introduce you to the idea, and kind of tell you what I'm doing here at Direct Mail Pro, and that I'm going all in. You know what? There's no holding back anymore. When you make a commitment, when you make a decision, you go all in, and that's what I'm doing here. And I'm looking forward to you joining me. I think you'll understand the vision. You'll understand after you watch the video below. All right, thanks guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.